Hey, this is DIY Guy again, coming at you from DIY Florida. Here today to show you my new outdoor kitchen cabinet and prep station. Right now, as you can see, all I have is this little table here that is okay. Right now, I need more space. I need more storage. I got all my tools kind of just sitting up here, so I needed somewhere to put things so they're not just out in the open. And I looked on Amazon and found a little cabinet on sale for 150 bucks. It's a really reasonable deal for 150. So I seen some comments on it though that said that there has been damage when it showed up, and there was some issues. I'll put the link of which cabinet it is in the comments down here, but it's a Keter, K-E-T-E-R Unity XL. So I'll put the link so you can see it when it's well, I'll show you what it looks like when it's fully done anyway. But let me get to opening it up. Let's check all the parts, make sure they're not warped. A lot of people said they were warped. People said there was some issues. Those look pretty good. Those look pretty good. That looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good shape so far. I like how they put the styrofoam in here so it doesn't warp these areas. Wheel and a leveler, moves freely. Some hooks and some bolts, so I'll need some tools. Looks in good shape. Doors look good. Side panels. Kind of taking things out right now, just doing a quick inspection. Now the packaging looks in good shape. Top looks perfect. Looks immaculate. Everything seems to be there. So we'll start going and put it together. Side piece first. Top and bottom are similar, so it doesn't matter which one you use. Make sure they're nice and seated. And we attach it to the top. First we do it upside down. So we take our nuts and these little slots, we line them up so that they don't spin while we turn them. 8 slots in this bottom part and also down in the top part. Now this is upside down, so we want this bottom part to be facing up. And we want this hollow side on the inside. Measures up nice. Two wheels on one side and 2 adjustable ends on the other side. Now it's pretty obvious which side goes in which because one side's wider than the other. As you can see here, it's kind of like a it's not just a square, so you can't get it in wrong. They lock in pretty tight. 2 back panels, click right in. Each of the locks come in one of these little clusters. Just click right in. Side opposite where we had put the little mounts on here, we want to put the bar. If you see the bar here, it doesn't sit in there. It's got these little pieces here. And this locking mechanism slides down and locks them into place. Put down this locking mechanism. Click, click. It's nice and secure on there. There's a screw that goes into each of these parts to hold this locking mechanism in place. And these side holes being open, they get a little locking plug in there. Now this side, similar sort of part. This goes up on the top, facing up. These locking plugs go down into the, keep them in place. And then a screw for the bag. Just click right in, seal it right up nice and tight. These little clips here will go into this area here to lock the top into place. Each one has a separate one. As you can see, here are the slots where they click into place. It'll go through there. Paper towel holder. End of this part here. Alright, now it's time to see how well it holds in the charcoal. I've been putting it in the garage, so I've been wanting somewhere to store it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright, so it's rained a lot the past couple of days. Really hard. Yesterday was a pretty hard rain. So I had put some charcoal, I put some paper towels. The paper towels I had over there I put in there. So it's been quite a few days. I put these hooks that came with it for hanging up objects over here. I put them on the doors to just keep them from opening. Just a little extra security. I didn't see a need for a lock. It was protected. But I want to see how dry everything is. Alright, as you can see, I've got some egg cartons in here. This one has a little moisture right there, not too bad. This one was up against the side, and it looks pretty good. So no water leakage that I could see. The charcoal bag looks pretty dry. Everything's pretty dry in here. Paper towels, still dry, no moisture on them. This little bucket of charcoal did not fill up with water. So all in all, it looks like it really worked really well from keeping the elements out, because we had storm warnings and even tornado warnings were in effect yesterday. So this held up really well. It is a little bit covered here right against the wall, and there is some tree coverage over top, but all in all it did really well. So I'm very happy with this one. Okay, time for the review. The points I liked: top stainless steel, no dings, no bumps, no scratches. Things I was not expecting: bottle opener, the paper towel holder, plenty of storage area. You can fit my half full 34-pound bag of charcoal in there, and all my grilling tools and essentials. Hooks for hanging stuff while you're actively using them. Easily fit in there. Went together really easily. Parts were in perfect shape. Instructions easy to follow. Overall, I give it an excellent score. Great deal, an excellent value, easy to put together, 100%. I like it.